hi guys, I'm back again with a little DIY project. I need to sweep my chimney. Well, I'm not sure if you know, but I have a 6-inch chimney where most boats have a 4-inch chimney. Now, to get a 4-inch chimney brush is quite easy. To get a 6-inch one is not. And they're rather expensive anyway. If I do find one, I can order them online, but they're like twice the price of the 4-inch ones. Well, if I put a 4-inch one up the 6-inch chimney, I can sort of wobble it around a bit and clean the chimney, which I've done before. I've borrowed somebody else's. You can't, because they're on a wire, you can't really get them tight enough up against the side, so it doesn't really clean it that well. So what I've done is, I have bought this brush. Now I've started taking it apart, because you don't really want to watch me just undo screws. So I've taken the head off, removed the plastic piece that was held on with. I've taken the head, a couple of screws. I've already pre-drilled all these screw holes, ready for this. And screws in. And line them up. Like so. This little thing doesn't really have a lot of torque, so we'll finish it off with a regular screwdriver. Just make sure they're in nice and tight. So, as you can obviously tell, I drilled 2 holes into the handle of the brush, and there we have it. Proper bristle brush. Now to go and try and see if it works and sweep the chimney. So that's the top of the chimney taken off. That's the first job to do, which I will clean out separately. Put that down there for now. Yeah, definitely a little bit dirty, isn't it? So let's give it a good sweep. Fits in, that's a start. Oh, it's definitely working, so I can keep it the broom nice and stiff this way. It's touching the sides nicely. I think it'll be quite as easy as if you had a proper brush. That's certainly working. And I can get right down into this. Of course, this chimney being stainless steel, not too difficult to clean. For what light the camera can pick up there, you can see that's pretty clean now compared to what it was. I'm quite happy with that, and it just took, what, a minute? Right, now to clean the top. I think that's pretty well clean as well. I'll just wash the brush out, quick dunk in the canal, quick shake out. I'm going to put it on the roof now to let it dry for a couple of days. There we have it on the roof. It can dry out, hopefully. Well, I think I got the fire in shot there. Got a job to see because I've got the camera in a corner here out of the way. As you can see, I haven't cleaned the fire out today. A bit pointless when I was sweeping the chimney. Well, number one, open the fire up. First of all, let's get rid of the ash pan. Put the ash in the bucket. Now, believe it or not, it's the 12th of December today, and I haven't had the fire lit all day. Right, now I'm going to take out the grate, which has got some bits of yucky coal on there. I'm going to dump that. Up there, slide there out of the way. Now I've got to get out the baffle plate. This is always a pain. I should have taken the baffle plate out, by the way, before sweeping the chimney, of course, because then it's going to be all jammed up on top of the baffle plate. But I forgot. My hands are filthy, so the baffle plate's clean. Ready to go back in. You can hear a bit of vibration going on in the background. I have the engine running, charging the batteries at the moment. Just taking the soot which has landed on top of the fire bricks here. There's not much soot in here actually. Maybe no little thing down. Yeah, that's okay. That's it. Ash pan. Let's sit it on here. I can catch most of it. This is broom. Most of this is just ash, you know. There's hardly any soot. It wasn't that bad. I did notice the soot that was there came off very, very easily as well. So that's where I burn a lot of seasoned wood and very little coal. I'm just going to use my fingers here just to get it out the corners. It's only ash. It's not very often I take out the grate, so it's not very often that it gets really cleaned all the way around the back of the grate. It's normally in the mornings. The fire's too hot to do that. You get to this time of the year and you're keeping the fire going 24/7. That's a flash pan full here. I use my hands and not the brush. I get an awful lot less dust. It doesn't sort of scrape it up into the air. Most of this dust comes from the coal. When you use smokeless coal, the binder they use is, I think it's like cement dust. They bind it with cement. That's why it's so dusty, so nasty. Regular coal's probably cleaner. Oh well. Supposed to use this smokeless junk and some of it is real junk, I can assure you. Some of it seems to have more binder in it. That's coal. I wonder which way this goes in there. That goes in this way, I believe. It always seems to be easier to get out and get back in again. Clean up the half. I have here in the corner, see it, there's a little gap between the tiles so I can sweep it out. So that's it. I get asked quite regular, how do I clean my glass? Well, that's quite simple really. I use one of these sort of non-scratchy pads, if you know what I mean. A little bit of baking powder, and there we go. In fact, if it's slightly warm, the glass, it cleans a lot quicker. I don't mean hot, of course, I mean just slightly warm, but even so. Pretty much done in a few seconds. Damp cloth, just to clear all the smears off. Dry paper towel, and hey presto, one clean glass. It's nice to look through a clean glass, isn't it? I can go on the fire. The other thing I get asked is, how do I light my fire? Show you that. This is just a paper towel which I've used at some point in time to clean out a greasy pan. You know, with a little bit of oil left over, or lard, or dripping, or something. There's a few pieces of kindling. I always make my own kindling. Just picks up bits of, it's an old palette that I picked up somewhere along the line or was given. Just stack the 2 or 3 pieces of this up. Don't need too much. Lights. As you can see, that fat burns very easily. I'll put one more piece on there. Just a piece going down in that direction. There we go. And then I just put some firewood on. There's a little knuckle piece there that can go on first. That piece can go on like so. And another piece on like so. And just let it go. We'll come back to it in a few moments and see what's happening. Well, you can see the smoke's coming out the chimney okay. Not too smoky. It's nice dry wood. It's starting to get dark now in the evening. It's about 5 minutes ago now since I lit the fire. I think that's going quite nicely, don't you? I just hope now that Santa will be pleased with a nice clean chimney to come down. Yeah, very nice. Well, if you enjoyed this video and not already subscribed, please subscribe. And don't forget to hit that old bell notification button. That way YouTube will inform you every time I upload a new video. Of course, I want to thank all of my Patreons, all my PayPal supporters, and everybody for watching. Have a very Merry Christmas. I'm not quite sure there'll be another Wednesday video before this one. There might be, I'm not sure. I think this will be the one just before Christmas when it comes out. Anyway, Merry Christmas to everybody and a Happy New Year, but I should have a video out before the New Year. Not quite sure if there'll be one out on Christmas Day yet. I'll have to work that one out yet because I won't be on the boat. Well, that just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. Trevor out.